Hi everyone, my name is Ademiwan Motalai. Welcome to this English lesson on travel experiences. By the end of this short lesson, you'll be able to share your past travel experiences using the past simple tense correctly. We'll also use Duolingo to practice listening, speaking, and also pronunciation. First of all, let's activate our minds. I want you to close your eyes for a moment and think about a place you have visited in the past. Where did you go and what did you do there? So I'll go with me first. For me, last year I went to Abuja. I visited a lot of places in Abuja and I had different delicacies. It was a wonderful experience and it was full of fun. Now, imagine you are telling me or whoever that is next to you about your trip. Good. I can see many of you are remembering the good memories. Great. So, one of the best tools we are using today is Duolingo, specifically section 2 unit 25 that talks about share past travel experiences. So I'll be showing you that right now. I don't know if you can see this quite all right, but this is when you open your Duolingo app. This is section 2 unit 25 that talks about share travel experiences. This unit is perfect because it talks about past events. And on this same unit, you will listen to short stories. You will also learn how to speak and also you will also learn useful vocabularies. It is a quite interesting unit and it is very useful when you are talking about your past travel experiences or trips. So now let's focus on the grammar we need for talking about our past travel. Don't forget we'll be using the past simple tense. But the first one we'll be dealing with is the regular verbs, which is for you to turn a regular verb into a past simple tense, there will be an addition of letter E, and letter D, ed. So the first example we'll be going with under the regular verbs is visit. By turning it into a past simple tense, it becomes visited. The second example we'll be going with is stay. By turning it into a past simple tense, it becomes stayed. While the last example we'll be going with is travel. To turn into a past simple tense, it becomes traveled. I hope you quite get what I'm trying to say. So now we'll move on to irregular verbs. In this case, it is quite different and we have to remember them. So, for example, the first word is go. For irregular verbs, we are talking about past simple tense. So, for irregular verb for go, it will become went. Another example is see. The past simple tense for see becomes saw. The third one is eat. The past simple tense for eat is ate. And the last example we'll be dealing with is have, and the past simple tense for have is had. So let's make some sentences out of that. So here's some example for travel. I'll go with last year I went to Abuja, because today we are talking about past simple tense in our travel experience. So it won't be last year I go to Abuja. It doesn't really make sense. In fact, it doesn't make sense. So it becomes last year I went to Abuja. Another example is I visited many interesting places in Abuja. It is no longer a present simple tense, it is now a past simple tense because it talks about memories that you've had. So the last sorry, another example I'll be giving you is I had a great time. I had a great time when I went to Abuja for my last trip. So it is no longer I have a great time because it is not currently happening. It happened in the past. I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. So let's do some practice together. Change these sentences to past simple tense. I visit Lagos. What will it be? I'm waiting. It will be I visited Lagos. The second one is I eat jollof rice at the restaurant. To turn it into a past simple tense, what will it be? The answer will be I ate jollof rice in the restaurant. So another example is she go to the beach. Don't forget we are dealing with past simple tense here. It will be she went to the beach. Good. So now your main speaking task. Imagine you are walking with somebody right next to you. I mean, you have a partner or a friend, and then you use the language from Duolingo section 2 unit 25, and the grammar will lend to share your own past travel experience. You can ask each other what you ate during your last trip, where did you go during your last trip, what did you do there during your last trip, what did you see there during your last trip, did you enjoy it, and why? I mean, why did you go for the trip? Why did you enjoy it? Probably there are things you saw or you probably feel or felt during that time. Sorry. So I'm listening to your conversations. Very good. You are using the past simple tense correctly and speaking with confidence. I can imagine. All right. So well done, guys. Today we've used Duolingo section 2, unit 25, and I hope you practice that as well. So we've used that to practice real travel language. We also learned how to use the past simple tense to talk about our past experiences. So for homework, finish the Duolingo unit and write a short paragraph about one of your travel experiences. So thank you so much for your hard work and participation in today's class. See you in the next lesson and have a wonderful time.